The 12-step upholstery cleaning process. Step 1. Pre-inspection. Our technician will perform special tests to determine the content of your fabric. The content will determine what type of cleaning solutions and techniques will be used. We will also point out any potential permanent stains or areas of concern. Step 2. Area preparation. We will prepare the area where the upholstery will be cleaned to protect your surrounding furnishings. Step 3. Pre-vacuum. All textiles should be vacuumed thoroughly before cleaning. This step will remove dry soils and any loose particles from cracks and crevices. Step 4. Pre-treat. Depending on your fabric, a special solution designed for your fabric type and the soiling condition will be applied to emulsify the soil. Step 5. Pre-spot. Any potentially difficult spots will be pre-treated with special solutions to increase chances of removal. Step 6. Pre-groom. The fabric will then be gently groomed using soft upholstery brushes to loosen the soil. Step 7. Soil extraction and rinse. The soil is then extracted from the fabric with a gentle, controlled rinse. Step 8. Neutralize. The fabric is then pH balanced to maintain its soft, fresh feel. Step 9. Post-spot. Any remaining spots will be treated with special stain removal products. Step 10. Post-groom. The upholstery will then be prepared for drying with a gentle combing of the fabric. Step 11. Speed dry. High-velocity air movers will be placed on the upholstery to speed dry the fabric. Step 12. Post-cleaning inspection. Our technician will review the cleaning results with you to ensure that your expectations have been met or exceeded.